Hello and welcome to Matshop product demos. Let's take a look at the Nylon Carpet Surface Logo Mat. It is one of our most popular logo mats because of the wide range of flexibility in terms of colors and printing. We can match any color as we use the PMS color matching system, so it is a great option for brand activations and other events. This mat is printed using inkjet and then steam and heat treated to lock in color. It is also treated with a fabric protector to enhance the quality of the mat. The lay flat backing is extremely durable and will not crack or bend as PVC does. The surface of the mat is customizable, but also very effective at keeping floors clean. As feet walk over this mat surface, the ultra-absorbent fibre dries shoes and holds water and debris in its structure. This is really easy to keep clean with a vacuum, or you can wash it in a machine if needed. The best thing about this mat is that the printing is permanent.